Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Box for authenticated uploads in Web UI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Box for authenticated uploads in the web user interface, first, navigate to the Box developer console. Log in with your Box account credentials. Once logged in, create a new application by selecting the Create New App option. Choose the Server Authentication, Client Credentials Grant option. Provide your application a name that clearly represents its function. After creating the app, navigate to the Settings tab of your newly created application. Here, note your client ID and client secret. These credentials are essential for the authentication process. Next, go to the OAuth 2.0 Credentials section in the settings. Set your redirect URI to a location where you will handle the authentication response. Make sure this URI matches the one you'll use in your web application. Now it's time to implement the authentication flow in your code. Use the Box API endpoint to initiate the OAuth 2.0 authentication. Construct the authorization URL with your client ID, redirect URI, and required scopes. Direct users to this URL so they can grant your application the necessary permissions. After the user authenticates, they will be redirected to your specified redirect URI with an authorization code. Capture this authorization code from the URL. Now, exchange the authorization code for an access token by making a POST request to the Box token URL. Include your client ID, client secret, and the authorization code in your request. On a successful request, Box will return an access token. Store this access token securely, as it will be used for making authenticated requests. To upload files to Box, use the Box Upload API endpoint. Include the access token in the authorization header of your upload requests. Now, create the upload request with the file data and necessary metadata. Ensure that your request includes the appropriate MIME type for the file being uploaded. Send the upload request and confirm the successful upload. This process allows you to authenticate with Box for secure file uploads in your web UI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.